Namaste. Um, what can I say about this great experience I had? I think choosing Shiva Shakti Yoga, it's been the best choice of my life. It really is a really special place. All the organization from the beginning was really good. Always in touch with the organizers, and then once we came here, everybody's been looking after us wonderfully. The teachers have been great. They couldn't be better. I've never thought I could have learned so much from a 1 month yoga TTC course. And for those who think that the language can be a little bit of a challenge, as I thought before coming here, I'd say it's not at all. Everybody will be really helpful. We've been 11 people and 7 different nationalities and different levels of English, and none of us have had any problems understanding. So I really highly recommend Shiva Shakti Yoga School. Namaste.